Hi guys, I wanted to show you how this product works. I've used it several times, especially on these old doors. These doors, you can see at the bottom of this door, it's solid white paint. But 2 days ago, I put this product, Citristrip stripping gel, onto it, and I covered it with plastic. I just use plastic bags, they're easy. And I left it on about 48 hours, and it dries up pretty well. It's not too gooey, which I like. It dries up to a nice way to peel it off. And look, I've already started peeling off some of it. It peels off so easily. I'm going to try to show you here. So I just use a metal scraper, which some people say not to do against wood, but if you're careful, it gets a more exact removal of the product. I guess I'll show you, this is right here. I'll just show you this easy one here. Yeah, this right here. You literally just do that after you let that product sit, and it just comes right off, the paint does. So I'm taking this door back to its original 1935 glory, which I love. And this door, I don't know if you can see them, but it has those ridges. And you can see I've already taken this along the ridge, and it removed that paint so beautifully, ridge by ridge. So I highly recommend this product. Now, after I strip all this paint with using this spatula or whatever you call these things, after I do that, you take steel wool. And I had always taken mineral spirits with the steel wool and gone back where any paint residue is, and it'll pull it off with your steel wool. But I saw another guy mention using TSP and water, about a 50-50 solution, mix of the two. And that I used that the other day on the other side of this door, and it worked really well. So I highly recommend the old Citristrip stripping gel. Put it on, let it do its work, come back and peel it off. All right, have a great night. Bye.